am I?
Welcome to the game, an Animal House building game. The winner gets the trophy and a way out, and the loser stays with us.
I'm out of here.
Huh? Am I walking in circles?
That's no good.
Watch your step!
It's just that you're so tiny.
This is hopeless.
Oh no. I'm done for. My live stream is in 5 minutes.
You're putting me right where I was.
What? We're stuck here forever.
Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty.
I could do this all day long.
Why me? Why not Jade?
I'm also here, you genius.
I'm in the middle of suffering here.
You'd rather look for an exit.
You're the reason we're here.
We're here because you're a dummy.
I'm so sick of this.
What's happening?
That's super weird.
The fit is so stupid. I love it. Andy, you look great too.
Oh boy, you turned her into a zombie.
Enjoy.
Ah!
At this rate, he'll never get to work. It's time for him to have a makeover, too.
No, no, no! I'm too scared. I'm afraid you're gonna lose to Jade.
You're so cute when you're mad.
I have to work. You stay out of my way for now, and get ready to lose.
Looking good?
What about a snack?
Wow.
Catch. There will be one winner.
Looks like Andy pulled ahead. That's not fair. What a buzzkill.
How come?
Oh, do I have to make a house again? Okay. Yours may also be pink.
I don't think so. Quite a style, huh?
You're way too gloomy. You need more love.
All I need is the trophy.
I want everyone to win.
I say I should get the victory, and you can be friends with whoever you want.
Awesome. That's no good. Flawless. Lights will make it 10 times cuter.
Enjoy it while you still can. My house will turn out cooler than yours anyway.
What if it doesn't?
In that case, I'll need a plan B. Oh, there's cell service. Perfect timing.
He's back at it again. Andy!
Huh? What's up with you?
Never mind.
You'll pay more attention next time.
I've got amazing band-aids.
No. Go away.
I'm almost done.
Drop it. Kitty wants snuggles.
What?
You better take care of her.
Oh, you're such a cutie.
No,
Who's a bad kitty?
Andy, you are not getting away with that.
I'll make a spot to eat over here.
Want to see me making the bed?
Couldn't care less.
Fine, watch. Gotta put the pics on something. I hope Andy has some stuff.
Oh.
This is awful. Just the thing.
Put up another one.
Absolutely.
Major poser.
All I gotta do is secure them. Hey, loser. Have you seen a chain over here?
I got rid of it.
What?
You're welcome.
Ah!
Oh.
Just take that.
You're so done.
Chill. I'll let you leave for a little bit.
Really?
Yeah, I need to take a walk.
Don't do that ever again.
It's not me.
Stay over here for now so you don't destroy the whole thing. I'll find your owner very soon. Andy,
Hi.
what's up with you?
I need a chain.
Yeah, I need help. On my way. Be right back.
Can't remember where I saw her.
Here's just the thing we need.
Awesome. Let's get back before Jade beats you.
Here I am. Andy!
That took way longer than it needed to. But you aced it. My face can make anything look better.
No way on earth.
What a smarty pants you are.
Do you like that? That's what I thought.
Seems like you're tired.
Huh? That's ridiculous. I'm all hyped up. Candy?
We gotta help Jade.
That's weird. Give it back. Hey,
What was that?
gotta get this over with.
Andy, I'm bored! Andy!
Stop. This will make a great toy. You love chasing mice, right?
Not bad, Andy. Not bad at all. I'll have mercy on you. Only this time.
Appreciate it.
I gotta take this chance. I mean, to check if it's solid. It hurts to be bad.
At least it's fun.
Can't see what's fun about it.
Just bad luck.
It's almost done.
Oh no,
I have a great toy idea. I'm gonna need these ropes. No peeking until I'm done.
Oh.
There!
So sick!
I did my best.
Oh.
Oh man, that won't be enough to finish up the house.
Guess we should take a walk too.
Go ahead. Hi, how can I help you? Jade, is that you? Who else could it be? What have you and Andy been doing all day long? I'm building a dog house and Andy's making a cat house.
Long time no see, Courtney.
Hi, we need a hand. Love to, but I have a lot on my plate. I'll help out. Let me handle it. Oh no, no. A bit to the left. You want to take this? Thanks for having my back.
Wuss.
I'm nearly done anyway.
Oh no, I totally forgot why I went out. Thank you.
That won't help.
The candies are turning out so cute.
Don't get too excited. Mine will be a whole lot better anyway.
Done.
Done.
This is so pretty. Now that's a criminal lair. I look cute here. Didn't leave the toys out, nice. Yummy. I love this cushion.
May I have the trophy?
I'm so happy you love it. Huh?
Who on earth are you?
It's my pet. It's time to go outside.
But you didn't say who's the winner.
We'll let you decide. You were a lot of fun to be around.
I'm back.
So am I. Smiling is tiring.
My subscribers love me again. You know, Jade, it is our choices that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities.
Huh? Are you quoting Harry Potter or what?
I thought you hadn't seen it.
Should we grab it at the same time?
Yeah. We did it.
Close call. You're such a pain. The dog made a mess in there. What have I done to you? I thought Sharon would kill me. Just mind your own business.
What's this? A game? Cool. Same here. You are so cute. Let's play. I want my house to be done already. What a loser. Who's my little cutie? First, let's make the walls. The entrance will be here. It's not sharp at all. Let's draw a cat. Now connect the pieces. Nice entrance. Wrong again. What should I make? How about you just give up? Cool! Thanks for the help. Let's build a base for the house. Attach fabric to be the walls. And a fabric roof. Fold it. I need to heat this up. Summer! Thanks, bestie. I'm not your bestie. Look at this amazing roof. Where did I leave off? Oh, right, the carpet. I'll use a stapler to cover the outside. Cats like sleeping on soft things. No peeking. Hey, who turned out the lights? So soft. That'll probably work. I almost forgot Bob.
I'm Kevin.
Where do I go? Be careful. Take that. Wow, so pretty. Where'd you get these cute stars? I love them. I know how to make this house even prettier. Wrap it in a garland. Add cute bows. And the final touch. I need materials. Perfect. You ruined the surprise!
Does she have a new look?
Summer! I wanted to help you! That's so cute! Thanks, Summer! Great! Let's rock out! I love this curtain! That's weird. I just decided to help you out. Thanks. It looks way better this way. It's missing something. What is this? What a disaster! Studs are always in style. Yay! Wrap some twine for claw sharpening. That's beautiful! Thanks, Courtney! send your kisses somewhere else. You are so boring. Cover stuffing with fabric and secure it with clips. Make a form out of foam rubber. Cover it with silver fabric. What a chill sea! The food bowls will go here. I'll fill it with treats. I want everyone to know who lives here. Here, kitty kitty, look what I have for you. Wow, you are one spicy kitty. I'll hang up some more toys so you don't eat me. A cool cat needs a chain. She can eat here. And a little bonus if she wants to play while she's eating. I don't know if she likes mint, but I'll put it in just in case. What a dangerous toy! This must be yours. Great! Thanks for helping me win! I'll put this on the wall for easy access. Where'd you put it? I have a present for you, too! Cool! That's exactly what I needed! Thanks! Buzz off! Stop it! These chains will make it look even better. Now I need a t-shirt. Hey, loser! Where are my shirts? Oh, those ugly rags? I put them in the cat carrier. I'm gonna kill you! I wanted it to be cozy in there. That's not going to help you. There can only be one winner. Now I'll sew the prints together. And get a cool cat cushion. We'll put another cat scratcher on here. Done! Done! It's so cute! It's so cool! I can't wait to show my friends! I'm not letting anyone in here! Delicious food! Oh, this is fun! I don't understand. Do you want to play? You're really not good with animals. Are you hungry? Yay! I was right! Let's bundle you up so you don't get dirty. Something's wrong! Nice going, Summer! We'll just have to use a bib. Here Here comes the airplane! I'll prove that I know how to take care of animals. I know what to do! That's a great idea! Sharon, turn the light on. Something's missing. Now he can eat whenever he wants. How will he drink? I don't know. Good thing I have a water bowl. Newton is gonna be mine. What? Nothing. I said, look, he likes it. Newton, sit. Now lie down. Sharon, look, I taught Newton some commands. Let me try. Sit. Lie down. It's easy. Just do this. Stupid dog. Get back here, Dracula. He's so fast. Let her sleep. You can play later. I need to post a new pic on Instagram. No! No one will like these pics. Too colorful. Pink. That's perfect. You're gorgeous. Let's add an accessory. Now we can take pictures. What a nightmare! I need to take that off. Now you look amazing, but you're missing something. What a hideous outfit, especially the collar. I thought the collar was cute. If you want me to go with this collar, then like this video. Yay! I knew it was awesome! I'm better at taking care of Newton. No, I am. You want to go for a walk? Let's go! The weather's supposed to be bad. I'll come up with a way to avoid getting wet while going for a walk. Really? I will too! You stole my idea! You copied me! Newton can pick, but I want to add accessories. Deal! I'll add a pillow so he's comfy. Let's add a little pink. A pillow? Basic. That doesn't look cool enough.
Now that's better. You didn't see anything. I'm done. Same here. Newton, come for a walk with me. No, me! Look at this toy I have! Comment below who you think Newton should go on a walk with Summer or Goat Sharon! Good boy, Newton! Wow, you won't get far. Good thing mine is functional. A scary monster is here to get you. Don't worry, it's just me. Newton only loves summer. But not for long. Why is there a doctor here? Newton's sick. Since when? Let me start the examination. Something is wrong. This device is broken. The dog's okay. Really? But she might infect him. I'm perfectly healthy. Summer is going to get taken away and Newton will be all mine. My face is so dry. Everything's okay. Are you sure? Yep, but you have to go to the hospital. Why?